Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make a quick, simple, healthy smoothie. So I'm going to show you exactly what I use and also give you a few other options that you can do as well. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little blender that I have here. You can also use like a hand stick blender if you have that as well, whichever one, both will work. And all I'll do is I put about a half a cup of milk into my container. I'm gonna put blueberries, some frozen blueberries, and you can use whatever fruits that you like. You can use blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, whichever one you want. I'm also gonna put in there today some frozen peaches. So this is gonna be a blueberry peach banana smoothie. And I've got some frozen bananas. So as your bananas start to ripen, what you can do is you can just chop them up and then just freeze them. And they're great. They stay in there for a few weeks and you can use them for your smoothies, which is so nice. And the last thing I'm going to add today is a scoop of this vanilla protein powder. It's a vegan one, and I will put down in the notes exactly which protein powder I'm using. So I'm going to put 1 scoop of that. You can put 1 or 2 scoops of protein powder depending on how much protein you want to add. And also, you could add some spinach in there. It will turn it kind of into a green color, but you won't taste the spinach. So that is also delicious. And once I'm done here, you can even top this maybe with a little bit of granola or maybe some chopped up, walnuts. You could add a little flaxseed, chia seeds. I've done that as well before. So you can really make it healthy your way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. I'm gonna blend this for, let's see, about maybe a minute or so. Shake it up a little bit because it gets kind of thick because of all the frozen fruits, but I like it to be kind of thick like that. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's see if it gets cold. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, let me get a spoon so I can show you. This one's nice and thick. See that? Delicious. You guys are gonna love this. This is a great breakfast or mid-afternoon snack, or it could be a whole meal, like I said, if you add on a little extras. Put in that spinach or the flax seeds or a few little chopped nuts or fresh coconut, whatever you like. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoy.